Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to watch movies on Telegram. So the first thing you do is open up your Telegram, tap on the search bar at the top, tap on channels, and then tap on movies. Now if you want to watch Korean movies, tap on Korean movies, type in Korean movies. So you can see, type on this arrow to see the cover picture, and then you can download by tapping on this, save to download. You can see them season by season, episode by episode. You just simply tap on it and watch. It's as simple as that. There's no Korean movies, whatever movies you want, simply search it here under channels. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.